Hey you guys, this is the welder we're going to be using today. It's the Chicago electric welder. As you can see, it's the 80 amp, and this is the DC output. It looks like this, and then it comes with your clamp and the thing that you put your welding stick in. And you always want to go with your gloves, you guys. You got your gloves and your helmet to protect your eyes, and then these right here are the welding sticks that we're about to be welding today, and we're going to try to do a weld on these right here, and hopefully they're metal. Pick those up from either Home Depot or Lowe's. And that's what we're going to be trying to weld this together today, two of these, and we're going to see how it turned out, you guys. Hey you guys, this is our metal welding test. We're about to try to weld these two pieces of metal together and see how it goes with the Chicago welder. Hey you guys, this is our finished product. Yeah, it's pretty strong, but it's pretty ugly also. But these sticks that I have right here, I think I need to go to a skinnier size. The camera ain't doing these no justice. These are pretty thick, as you can see right there, how thick they are. So I'm gonna go back to Harbor Freight Tool and probably just get the skinnier rods, and that way I can do a better job on my weld. Okay you guys. Okay, as you can see you guys, this is a pretty ugly weld, but actually I can't break it with my hand. Let me try. Can't break it with my hand, but I'm gonna get the smaller rods, and I bet you this will be a lot stronger, you guys. This is kind of thin, but thanks you guys for watching. Subscribe. So here we go guys, we're in Harbor Freight Tools. As you can see, we got some big boy welders right here, and I think I found the one that's gonna replace the one that I used today, because the one that I have right now, they don't sell anymore. I guess they just turned it black, this color. So I found the box with one open. Let's see how it looks, you guys. Looks like that. Pretty cool. See. Let's see if it's a DC. Yep, It says DC current right there, and I like using a DC current welders because they seem like they stick to the metal better. This is the 80 amp because they don't sell the one that I got right now, so I think this is the new one that they're selling now. Alright guys, this is 139 Chicago welder. See how that one's 319. I don't know if that's AC or DC. Got this one 219 AC output. Hold on. Got that right there. And this looked like the bigger version of that one. See this one, 40 amp, 500. Oh, okay. Yeah, we sticking on the small side right now, guys. But let me show you some bigger ones. See if we can find some bigger ones. Whoa, look at there, guys. That's AC. Well, I guess AC ain't that bad because most of these are AC. See what we have here. Have all these. I never heard of that. Vulcan.
Okay, cool.
I have this one right here. Titanium. So we're gonna zoom back. That's what we all went over, you guys. Just looking at what we got on the prices. Yeah, you guys. So if you're thinking about getting a welder or whatnot, they have this one on sale for $139. I think this is almost like the one we're using today. Let's see what we have. We have 80 amp ARC welder, $139. That'll be probably a good one. Yeah, you guys, these are some of the helmets that they have in Harbor Freight. And let's see how much that one is. 129. Oh, that's pretty good. Look at that fire helmet. 159. 149. 154. That one looks cool. 49. You got those down there for 32. And 44 and 49. All your welding stuff, guys. All your gloves. Yeah. Little scratch off things. I haven't get to all that stuff yet. That's some big boy welding right there. As you can see, you got your torch starter right there. Some people need that torch starter. I mean that flame starter. That's the safest way to go. These, you got the C-clamps to hold stuff down. The kits, pliers to hold stuff down. You got a lot of stuff going on here, guys, in the welding. Look at that up there. And this is what we got on these. These are some long aluminum. Lowe's, 69, 699, 699. Pretty much all of them look like $6.99, guys. All the way across the board. And this are for your tack welding. Yep. Those are 19, well 14 now. And you have these. Ooh, 125. That's 19. And this one. $29. And this is the one we're going with today, guys. They don't sell the one that I'm using right now, so this is the replacement. It's a black color and it's a DC welder, stick welder. And I think that's what it is, you guys.